So Mr. Geoffrey Smith, the awesome little monkey maker that he is, got hold of some tramp wood before Christmas. Now tramp wood is wood that you find at the side of the road. Jeff made an awesome, beautiful box from the wood that he found, but he had some bits left over. And being the sharing, caring kind of guy that he is, he put some of that wood and some shavings in some boxes and sent it off to a few more of us makers. He wanted to challenge us to see what we could come up with. Now, I don't have a specific plan for the actual larger pieces of wood just yet, but I did have a plan for the shavings. In fact, this will be the first project that comes to you from the den. The den is basically the shed at home where I keep the lathe. Any of you guys who follow me on Instagram and Facebook will know that a few weeks ago I bought a lathe. Now, since I've had the lathe, I've made pens, and more pens, and more pens. So, guess what this video is about? Yes, it's a pen. Of course it is. I give you the world's very first tramp wood pen. Enjoy the video.